Hey everybody, welcome back to another affiliate marketing episode where I reveal the best offers you can promote right now that are crushing it in the affiliate marketing space. Remember, these offers don't require you to create your own product, handle any shipping, customer service, or even building a website. As an affiliate, all of it's done for you. Your job is to simply promote those products or services and collect a commission on every single sale. And today I'm going to show you how you can make money in the crypto space without using any of your own money to buy up crypto yourself. And if you stay until the end, I'll show you how you make this method and turn it into a full-time income using affiliate marketing. But before we dive in, go ahead and smash that like button. While you're there, hit the subscribe button so you never miss another video. I'm also a big fan of the comment section. I enjoy hearing what you have to say about affiliate marketing and even base my videos on the comments there. So go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment. All right, let's get into it. Step one, instead of spending all your hard-earned money on Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency, we're going to teach you how to become an affiliate of a platform called Coinbase. Now, Coinbase allows you to join their program and both buy and sell the big and the smaller altcoins on their platform. So whether you're investing long-term in Bitcoin or Ethereum, or if you're into the Dogecoin, you can trade using the Coinbase platform. But we are going to do something where you're going to become an affiliate of Coinbase. And that means that we're going to have you create an account instead of buying up all the coins you see on the platform and hoping that one of them goes to the moon. We're basically going to set up a special link that allows us to earn up to $10 in Bitcoin when someone else signs up for the program and invests in one of these coins. That's how you can make money in the crypto space without even having to use any of your own money or research your own coin. And this is great because no matter what price the Bitcoin is next year, you'll still be making money because you're already and not having to worry about investing your own money. Now, step number two is we're going to create an affiliate funnel. I use a software called ClickFunnels, which allows us to quickly build those affiliate funnels out. Now, here's a quick breakdown of how an affiliate funnel works. Typically, there's just two parts. First, there's a landing page where you invite someone to give their email address in exchange for a free gift that you create. Next, there's a thank you page that gives your new subscribers their free offer, as well as a chance to purchase the product or service you're an affiliate for. In this case, the offer that you're going to be signing up for is a Coinbase account and start investing. Now, you'll see why gathering these email addresses and building a list is so important later. But for now, just go on this page, and this is designed to build your email list. Now let's go ahead and check out an example of an opt-in page. Again, this was built for ClickFunnels. Now, you'll notice about this particular opt-in page that it's very simple. These pages do not have to be complex. They don't need a ton of images or text, just a simple invitation. In this case, a free training on how to invest in crypto, as well as a place for an email address. Since we're talking about crypto right now, the free gift that you offer could be a PDF guide or a video training on the best coins to buy right now. Heck, it could even be a simple tutorial on how to buy and sell crypto coins, because for so many people, that's still a huge mystery. Now let's take a good example of a thank you page. Again, notice the simplicity. We give the free gift that they were promised, in this case, a free training, and then have another call to action to claim your $10 reward. When someone clicks that button, they'll go to your affiliate link for Coinbase, sign up for an account, get their free crypto, and then you'll be given a commission. In my mind, there isn't a simpler way to build an email list and start making money online. Now, these email addresses you collect, however, are pretty useless unless you follow up with them, and that's where we take in step number three. Step three is the follow-up with an email. This is one of the most important steps, which is email marketing. You've got to follow up with email. The old method of affiliate marketing was simply finding a product, sending traffic, getting a commission, and heading on your merry way. This was one and done, one commission deal. Let's take our crypto offer, for instance. The old method is to just send traffic to your affiliate link for the offer and collect a commission that comes in. This really isn't a business. It's basically you just acting as a marketing agent. To build a long-term profitable business, you need assets. And what's the most valuable asset you can own? That's your email list. So now that you're using a sales funnel like the one I showed you, You are not only collecting commissions, but you're also gathering email subscribers. Without an email list, it's hard to make multiple commissions and see the success you want. If you take nothing else from this video, here's what I want you to know. You need an email list to make multiple commissions. It's essential for your long-term massive success. Now, one thing that's helped me in the affiliate marketing process is partnering with a digital marketing expert who has been through different challenges and built a successful business. The specific program I recommend to everyone is called Partner with Anthony, created by Anthony Morrison. In this program, Anthony walks you through how to set up a sales funnel and an email marketing system. And the focus of the program is to build an email list, the core concept we talked about today, and creating a way to earn multiple commissions from the same customer, some of which are recurring revenue. My belief is that affiliate marketers need recurring revenue streams to scale their business. The Partner with Anthony program has multiple recurring income opportunities. It's a one-stop shop, an entire ecosystem. When you send traffic to it, it takes over and generates multiple commissions for you. The best part, people like you and me get to partner with Anthony himself. He's the spokesperson, the sales guy. He pitches and sells his products, but we get the commission. That means no selling on your part. If this piques your interest at all, go ahead and click the link in the description. It'll take a few minutes to check it out and learn more. My guess is that you'll at least learn something new that can help you in your business. And again, the link in the description, click it and learn more. Lastly, I just want to thank you for watching today's video. If you haven't already, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content on building a successful business online. We'll see you next time.